People deal with changes and challenges in very different ways. At one extreme, you're going to find someone who's extremely stimulated and excited and energetic and can't wait to try something new. While at the other end, you have a depressed person who is stuck in a rut, won't let go of any kind of new realities. We need to really look at and see how personalities, and especially how our MBTI understanding, can aid in the change process. You don't really need to know everyone's type to use type knowledge effectively, and it's very likely that in every kind of group or situation, you're going to encounter most of the type preferences, so it's important that you just ensure that the communications and the interactions really consist of opportunities to touch each of these preference bases. So the approach that gives you the best opportunity to really make the most of change is to ask yourself, what do your needs need to be met, and also recognize that everybody else also has some needs for change and how they need to be met. So be sure that you address the different needs, the types, and finding ways to capitalize on the strengths to provide the necessary information for individuals to really accept and support the change process and for everybody to be able to move ahead together. As we look at managing change, there are three different ways that we'll look at it. We're going to look at taking charge of our own needs, looking at what we can specifically do in order to ensure that we be able to feel that we're participating in the change process and that we're adding valuable information to it. Also, attending to the needs of others, making sure that you also pay attention to what others need in a change situation and how you can meet their needs. And lastly, as a group, how can you respect the differences and benefit from them? Again, all these preferences and personality types are going to be present in most situations, and it seems sometimes that's difficult to meet all the needs of everybody, especially when some appear to really contradict each other. However, when you fail to meet the needs, it means that somebody is not going to get what they need, and therefore they will become opposed to the new changes.